Here's how you photograph your wet painting just using your phone. I'm gonna shoot the photo a little bit higher angle to minimize the glare. You can see if I make the camera angle perfectly square or below perpendicular level, it starts showing more glare. And if I move this a little bit higher, kind of looking down, it reduces the glare. If you really have obnoxious glare that you want to get rid of, you can use clean brush and change the brush direction. Holding my camera with my elbows on the table, just like a tripod. Fitting the camera frame as much as I can. I'm trying to keep the top and the bottom of canvas as parallel as possible. Now I'm gonna open this in my image editor. Now I'm going to crop this as close as possible to these top corners. I also want to rotate this a little bit. Rotate slightly clockwise. Then I'm gonna correct the skew. I'm gonna correct the vertical axle. The vertical. I'm going to move the slider until the width of the bottom edge and the bottom and the top of the canvas are the same width. In other words, these vertical lines on both sides should be parallel. So I'm gonna okay. Closing more. I'm gonna crop off just a tiny portion of the canvas edges so that I don't include these white spots around the canvas. Especially if you are to frame a canvas, those edges will be covered anyway. I'm checking all sides. I think it's good enough. Now I'm gonna save this. Now I can share this